Okay guys, I done my bedding for this room because I have a guest. My family is my guest here. Soon they will be here, hopefully guys. I hope it's enough for this for them, for the bed that I arranged it in this room. There are 7. Yeah, there are 7. So my grandchildren and my children, they will be coming here in Dumaguete for vacation because the kids is having already a school vacation, so it's a closing, so they need to have their own summer vacations. So they're planning here, so I'm so glad they will be here Sunday, hopefully guys. I'm praying for that because long time my daughter is always planning to come here, but it doesn't go through. How many times that is always be nothing. Okay, he can so bad plan. It doesn't what do you call this, God's will. So now hopefully it's gonna be God's will that they will be here soon, because it's a long time when we are in the Dulce Vida and also in Balabag. This is our 3rd houses, but hopefully this is our 3rd houses, so they will be here soon, hopefully God's will guys. So yeah, that's it. So this is a master bed where I put them. So maybe this for Kuya's bed, for my elder grandson. So this also my 3, probably this is my daughters, and I hope they are enough for this, and the son of my daughter, and my granddaughters. Kiara will be here with their tita, so because their mother is in Qatar, so I let them to go with my daughter's Cherry, so that they will be also enjoying also, because they have no mama. Mama is in overseas, so they need also somebody to take care. So yeah, and also this is for my son and your girlfriends, their live-in partner guys. So they will be also taking care with my special baby, that the Kiara's sisters, the mother is in overseas. So yeah, I have a little girl that she's a younger daughter, the CC of Kiara. So maybe I gonna be put here in the center, so that she was be very moving kids, so need to center somebody be both sides, so their tita and tito will be take care of that. So it's okay for my family. We are Filipino guys, so we're okay be together in one room, family room. So I don't care for individually. I don't need them another bedroom. I have a bedroom, but somebody is there, I cannot let them to join my housemaid. It's another, I don't like it. It's another, so it's better because this is their family, so my family, so better they will be together inside of this house, this room. So yeah, I think they're comfortable with this bed. So because I have a air condition here, it's a little, but if ever it's very hot, so probably I have my portable air condition, so I could run it also, because we are not longer using it, because we have already a split type air conditions in the living room. So that's a long time we are using that for the living room. When was we don't yet bought the split type, so now we have it. So probably I could put here, because I have also the other outlet there for another air condition, because that's also 1.5. The cooling is good for this room. So whatever, if it's not be cold for here, this easy, the window type easy, so probably I use that portable air condition. I have it. So yeah guys, I think this is our master bed with my husband. So we don't use this because we have our own bedroom there, and my housemaid also have another bedroom. So that's why I give this to them, because there are many, seven peoples, so probably it's enough guys for my family. So anyway, they are not what they call this, complaining with that. What they got, they're happy already. So I don't worry, it's my family, so they love like this, because we are like Filipinos like this. We are not picking people. We are not like we're treated like a special, so we are not like that. So we're just okay for this life. Even we sleep in the floor, we are okay guys. Even sleep in the floor, you give it the floor, as long as we can be enjoy, and we have a place we can stay, rather than you pay what do you call this, hotel like this. So too much expensive, as long we can save it. So that's the way Filipino family, relatives, we could stay as long as we can save our money. So and also if you don't have enough budget for this vacation, going to like having a nice hotel like this to stay. So this is my family. So okay, I offer them to stay here with our house. So it's not my house, but we're renting here, so it seems like our own. So yeah, they can stay here, no expenses, so it's enough, so they can budget it. Only I tell them, just only you spend is your fare for the trip, so that is your obligation. So everything for going whenever you want to, I bring you guys. So I told them that it's my obligations to you to treat anywhere you want. It's my family, so I treat them as well as good. guys. So my husband is okay for him, so I'm so happy for supporting me for this vacation of my family. So that's it. That's the important for me, the authority of my husband, that he support me. So I love it. So thankful for that he support me. Yes, guys, this is what I could see as of now. That soon, hopefully. I'm not telling because how many times this happened. My daughter is planning for this vacation, so I don't want to be bad. What we call it, we believe that. Superstitious belief. Okay, guys, so thank you for viewing, and hopefully you could see. And I have also something to arrange in my living room for the dining table, to make it a family table, because we have here in our living room is only, our dining table is only a little for I think 4 people. So it's a big family, so I need to make an extension for the table and the chair. I have I bought a table and a bench for long time for Shopee or online. So I get that, and then I just arrange only. I will see later to arrange it, because I don't want to bother in the living room if my husband is there. So I want be my own to arrange it. I want nobody is walking, nobody is there. So that's what I am. When I fix something, I don't want somebody is there moving, good. I want to make it good quickly. So okay, I say that my guys, my living room. This should be, because I have coming big family, so my dining table should be long. So I set up, and the chairs, bench chairs, and the table, patio table, that's picnic table. So yeah, this will be, and this will be the recliner for my husband's when he watching for the TV. So that's what and this will be here, so that could have a space for this. We can walk nicely. Okay, that's what my plan for setup for here, for preparing for my family guests, so visitors soon. Yep, that's what the room I set. That's what the room here set up already. So okay, in my living room here, well, I think it's good. Okay, what you think, guys? It's good. Set up. Okay. Yes, guys. Yes. See you for the next view. Thank you. Bye bye.